Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Hello, my name is Syed I am student of grade 8B, Ideal Indian School, Doha, Qatar. This is my 14th video. I am sure you may be bored of this chapter. Man, the same chapter, the same videos every time. Now, please, I would like to clarify that for understanding this chapter, we are solving question by question, and it will help us students from grade 7 and grade 8 during the exam days. So in my previous video, I discussed question number 8, and in this video we are going to discuss question number 9 from exercise 11.2, the same chapter as I told. It's mensuration. Now let's see the question. Now in the question, what they are asking us: top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon as shown in the figure. Find the area of the surface of the octagonal surface. Now they are saying in the question, top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of the regular octagon. Now what is the regular octagon? As the polygon, every polygon has their sides equal. Now for example, we will take rectangle. Now rectangle has a length, and the upper length and the lower length, both will be equal, and the the right side breadth and the left hand side breadth, both will be equal. Now as the square, the best example, the square, we have all the sides equal, and the perpendicular 90 degree, and the four angles are 90 degree, and four sides are equal. If one is 25, all the three sides are also 25. Like that, this question has given us a shape which is octagon. Now octagon also has each side equal. Now what can I do? Now they are saying in the question, top surface of a raised platform. Now they are saying top surface. Now what is the top surface? This is the top of the shape. So what we are going to do, we are going to take this phi we are going to transpose here. It's okay, we can keep it here, but it's saying to the top surface. So what we are going to do, we are going to take this take this phi here, this phi as the side. Now what they are asking, the second thing is in the shape of a regular octagon as shown in the figure. Now this is the figure given in our supplementary. The figure, find the area of the octagonal figure surface. Now what they are saying us, to find the area, as we solved in the previous videos. They are saying us to find the whole area of this shape, the octagonal. So let's begin. Now what they are saying, area of octagon, which is equal to 2 into area of trapezium plus area of rectangle. Now where did I get this information? I would like to explain you. This line which I have drawn, these two diagonals which I have drawn on this line, is this is a trapezium. This is one trapezium, and this is the lower trapezium. So we have two trapezium in one octagonal, and this is a rectangle, as I told you. So rectangle, we have three shapes here. Two trapeziums, and one trapezium here and one trapezium here on the bottom. On the bottom and on the top. Then in the middle we have a rectangle, which has the length of 11 meters. Now what we have to do for finding the area of octagon is equals to 2 into area. Now why did we get this 2 into? This 2 into we got by these two trapeziums. We have two trapeziums, so we are going to do 2 into these trapeziums. Now plus area of rectangle. So first what we will do, we will find the area of trapezium. Then we will multiply it by 2. Then we will add it by the rectangle. So for getting the area of octagon, this whole figure. Now, for doing that, what the first step is area of trapezium, which is equal to 1 by 2 into height, which height into the sum of all sides. Now sum. So what we are saying is 1 by 2 into the height, as we did in the previous questions, in previous videos. Now 1 by 2 into the height. What is the height given here? The height given here is the 4 meter. Now we are going to transpose it here into 4. Then in bracket we are going to do the addition, the sum of all parallel sides. Now what are the parallel sides here? 11 and 5. These both are the sides. Why? Because this is the base of the trapezium, and this is the topper zone of the trapezium. Now these both lines are parallel to each other. So what we are going to do, we are going to add them both for this, as per this formula. So 11 plus 5. Now we are going to add them. Now 1 by 2 into 4, then this 11 plus 5. Now what we are going to do first, we are going to cut them both, this 2 and this 4. This will be 2 and this will be 1. So what we have got now, we have got the answer as 2, and now we will add them both, this 2. Now answer 11 plus 5, it will be 16. So therefore 2 into 16. As I said, we are going to add them in the bracket itself to remove the bracket. Now what we are going to do, we are going to multiply them both together. Now we will do it here. No, we will do it here, suppose. So 16 into 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 1s are 2 plus 2, 3. So 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. Now we have got the answer as 32 centimeter square. Meter square. No, we didn't find the whole answer. We have to find we have find only the area of one trapezium. We have found the area of only this trapezium, the upper trapezium, but we have to find the area of this trapezium also. So what we are going to do, as I said you at the beginning, that we are going to multiply them by 2. Now let's multiply them. Is equals to, then 2 into 32. Now let's multiply them here in the rough. 32 into 2. 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now we got the answer as 64 meters square, which is equal to 64 meters square. Now we have found the area of these both trapeziums. The upper trapezium and the lower trapezium. Now what was the area? The area was 64 meters square. You that so we have found the area of 64 meters square. Now we have found the area of these two trapeziums, the first trapezium and the second trapezium. Now what we have to do? Now what we have to do is we have to find the area of rectangle. As I mentioned previously, we have to get this area of rectangle for finding the area of octagon. Now what we are going to do, we are going to take this 64 meters square. And now what we are going to do, area of the rectangle. Now area of the rectangle is equals to breadth into the area of rectangle is equals to L into B, which is length into breadth. Now as I told you, length and breadth, this is the length, these two lines, this line coming and joining here, these both line segments are length, and these two lines are the breadth. Now what we are going to do, we are going to multiply them both. So so L into B. Now what is L? As I mentioned, the L is 11 meter. Now length is equals to 11 into this 5. This 5, how? This 5, we will get this breadth. I said you this is the breadth. So this line has the measure as 5. So we are going to multiply them both. 11 into 5. Now 11 into 5 is equals to let's do it here. I know the answer. It's 55. Now 1 5 are 5 and 1 5 are 5 again. Now let's now what we have got, the answer is 55 meters square. Now what we are going to do, for finding the area of octagon, we are going to add them both. The area of these two trapeziums, this 1 and 2 trapezium, and the area of this area of the rectangle. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add them both, the whole area. Now this area of trapezium is equals to 64 plus the area of rectangle is equals to 55. Now we are going to add them both, is equals to 64 plus 55 as I wrote here. Now 55. Now we are going to add them. Let's add them here. 64 plus 55. So 4 plus 5 9 and 6 plus 5 11. Now we have got the answer. The whole area of this octagon. The whole area of this octagon is equals to 119 meters square. 19 meters square. Meter square. So this is the answer. Now what we did was, first we divided this octagon into 2 trapeziums and 1 rectangle. Then what we did, we took this area of trapezium. For finding the whole area, we needed to find this the measure of both. So what we did, found the area of these calculations. We found the area of these 2 trapeziums, which is equals to 64 meters square. 64 meters square. Then what we did, for finding the area of rectangle, we took this shape. We multiplied length into breadth. Then what we did, when we did so, we got the answer as 55 meters square. Now what we did was, we took as per the question, as per this method, we took the area of this area of the 2 trapeziums and area of the rectangle, which was 64 plus 55, the sum, which was we are going to do. So 64 plus 55, which we got the answer as 119 meters square. So this is the final answer. Thank you.